Start by laying the 4 main posts on the ground, then the walls on top. Then lay and screw the rafters into each wall. Next, making sure posts are flush with the wall, screw down the wall using 65mm screws. Stand up one of the walls. Check the level and if need be, dig down one leg until wall is level. Making sure the wall is level, brace it using a piece of sandpit at the base and 2 roof palings on each side. Mark 1700mm on the sandpit. Stand the second wall up to the 1700mm mark and screw into place. Measure the slope and dig out if needed to ensure the walls will be the same height. Check again for the level and screw in side sandpit walls. Mark 1400mm up on all 4 posts. Use the 2 1400mm timbers to create a temporary floor support and check for level. Use 2 1200mm and 2 1430mm timbers to create the floor frame. Lift the frame onto the supports, making sure it's flush with the posts. Secure with 2 screws in each post. Remove the temporary floor support. Lift the floor into place, making sure it's flush with the edges. Screw into place using 16 65mm screws. Secure a peg flush with the bottom of the floor frame. Place wall in position on top of the peg. Level and secure it using screws. Screw the 965mm windowsill along the top of the wall. Stand the door frame upright and screw into place. Screw 1700mm timber into posts with 2 screws for each post. Place steps in position, then screw from underneath using 100mm screws. Secure the centre rafter using 2 100mm screws on each side. Starting with the lowest paling, secure with 3 nails flush with the edges. Lay the second paling over the first with a 40mm overlap. Carry on until you reach the centre of the rafter and then do the other side. Lift beam into position and attach with one 220mm bolt. Level the beam and secure with 4 100mm screws through the brackets, then tighten the bolt. Lift the slide into position and make sure it sits flush with the floor. Screw down from the top. Hammer peg into the ground flush with sandpit and screw into the post. Line the sandpit with weed matting using staples.